Alright, we almost died. We did not. Major traffic accident. That was very scary. But anyway, we are here at Lake Meredith National Recreation Area. Somewhere in the middle of Texas. It is so hot here. And there's no trees, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to find some shade, but way too hot in the van to keep going. Like I said, we almost got in a real sketchy,
horrible, terrifying.
We almost just had a bad accident. The guy pulled out right in front of me, locked up the brakes, over on the median. Oh, it was a mess. But anyway, whatever. We're resetting. I'm getting back to light painting tonight, hopefully, if we find some cool spots here. Lake Meredith National Recreation Area. This is where we're at. We're going to look around. Betty White, she did good. Currently in Oklahoma. We are heading to Johnny Griffin's house today. Ended up staying at this very nice La Quinta Inn last night just because yesterday was a bit of a hectic day with the almost car accident. We went to a campground. We didn't like the campground. Whatever, so we just started cruising. Got too late to go to this other state park. They were closed, so we ended up at the La Quinta. Taking the I-40 east to Johnny Griffin's house, right behind me. Johnny Griffin, we're coming to you, bud. Hope you got all kinds of cool tools to show me. Mr. Johnny Griffin, look at him. Look at him. All right, here in Johnny Griffin's garage, where he makes all his little tools. He's got all kinds of fun stuff hiding in here. In the Mastermind Studio. Wow, look at that thing.
Now these are actually first surface glass.
Oh yeah.
Zero distortion.
Right.
These are the ones Dan Chick calls the rabbit holes. This is the fails, the cut-offs, and the scrap to make those 8. Lot of wasted material. Like I said, at $500 a sheet, you don't want to do this on your own. Not unless you're, you know, a dummy like me.
All this stuff is more stuff that Johnny has made. All this custom stuff. Look at that beauty. Cosmos, the Cosmos Unicorn. Cosmos Unicorn, where's the other one? Angel Fire. The Angel Fire Unicorn.
Y'all don't even know what this is.
Yeah, let's see. Just pull that one out. Look at that thing. What Johnny's hooking up right there is, go ahead.
This is a mandala blade. We're going to hook it up to an index rotary head. And I think I may put some fixed lights on here and do some dream catchers. Those are kind of cool.
All right.
These things here are just little picture hangers you get at Walmart. They're like 40 in a pack. And they just happen to be perfect fit for L-wire.
So what this thing is basically a screen.
It's some PVC. Well, it literally is just a screen.
All right.
It's a window screen, that a custom made one.
Window screen.
I think I did. This one's 8-inch by 32-inch. I just built a frame for that. And you can go to the lumber yard and tell them to build you one. They'll build it for you.
And then these are just picture hangers.
Super glued picture hangers. They're clear clips, and they, like I said, they fit the L-wire without doing any damage whatsoever.
Right on. And then what we're going to do is put that on a camera rotation tool, basically. And as this thing spins around, it'll stop and make all these different, really interesting patterns. And I'm going to add in the flowers that I've been doing, that you've seen in the last couple vlogs. And tutorial down below. But I'm gonna add in some flowers with this. I think it's gonna look really cool. Johnny's got a little tunnel of trees right over on his property, and Bobby's outside getting set up, and the 3 of us are gonna go light paint. Say hello, Bobby.
Hello, Bobby.
You ready to go shoot? Oh, look at you.
Try to anyway.
I'm gonna try not to blind you with the light, but
Oh, you're fine.
look at that thing we're putting on there. Another weird Johnny Griffin special. All right, so explain this thing real quick.
Mandala?
Yep, explain how it works.
Oh, there really ain't nothing to it. It's on an indicator rotating head,
Mm-hmm.
and you just set the different degrees depending on how many stops you want it to make, as to how many degrees. It's just got a little bit of a click. You feel as you move, and what you do is you position it, turn the light on, turn it off, position it, turn the light on, back off, and you go all the way around the full 360, and when you get done, it gives a pattern similar to the Spiro Jibs. A lot of people use the mandalas. I've just tried to make mine kind of like my norm, hackable.
Yeah, the 3-foot fiber optic.
Yeah, and what I've done is I've just got a green gel basically.
Yep.
And I've cut it into 6-inch offsets.
Yeah.
To give it kind of a more of a sweeping effect.
So we're gonna use that to create like a grass effect. I'm gonna come in with this custom made Johnny Griffin special attached to the paper like I've been doing, like so, like that. That'll make the flower in the middle, but for the outside of the flower, again, we're gonna use this mandala tool. So Johnny is gonna go in, he's gonna do the grass and do the mandala tool. Then I'm gonna come in and do the flower part and the stem. Bobby's just gonna shoot, just record the whole situation, and we'll see what we come up with. Look at that, it's pretty cool. A little high, but the concept is there and the green is hot, like you said. We're gonna use a lower lumen flashlight for the grass on the bottom because they burn out a little on that first one. And then also I need to figure out where the center of that flower is. That's so cool. Dang, look at that one, that one came out good.
Yeah, it did.
All right, so we're gonna add in to that flower that we just did, we're gonna add in this snake that you make.
Yeah.
Using this custom, another custom.
2-part blade.
Yeah, so let's see that thing. And what do you call this one?
This is snakehead.
Snakehead.
What it looks like here and what it looks like when I paint are two different animals. So to get the snake's head, you've got to have the lower jaw, the upper jaw, and there's something in that little twist because it's hot here, it gives it fangs.
Right.
And then you have to do kind of a twist down and that breaks its head down.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, I tripped across him accidentally.
Yeah, that's the way the best discoveries are made right there. What we're doing now, John, what are we doing?
Well, we're gonna light Bobby on fire.
All right,
And then we're gonna give snakehead.
We're gonna use this to start fire all around Bobby, and then we're using that for a snake bite. All right, fire.
Snake bite.
Snake bite.
Wherever you do your hands, I'll be able to adjust this. So wherever you're comfortable there, as long as I got room to come down without hitting that limb, that's what got me before.
That's pretty amazing. I don't mind that flare a bit, by the way.
No, I don't mind the flare.
I think it looks like an alien.
Alien.
I like it.
Either way, it's a heck of a fight.
All right, we're wrapping it up. We're done. Bobby, Johnny, thank you for a lovely night of light painting. Gentlemen, did you enjoy yourselves?
Absolutely. Have a blast, my friend.
All right.
Always.
We made some cool silhouettes, flowers. Johnny showed me how to make a light snake with his serpentine snakehead blade that he made. Another custom tool. He's got about 5,000 custom tools in there. I'm gonna wait till he goes to sleep and steal half of them. And that's it. See you next time. Have a good night. Boop.